Okay guys, I got lucky again. That is only Louis Eriksson, but it's my favorite players in NHL 14. I'm so happy. I got these guys from Gold Premium pack. I was not expecting anything because this is not the biggest pack. But this was the Corey Price pack, and Corey Price pack worked again. I'm so lucky, and thank you EA for my good packs. I can't believe this. I saw Okposo and then I saw Eriksson. Please leave a like and comment and subscribe. Bye bye.